Once upon a time, my friend Andy made a pony tiara and posted about it on TikTok. On that post, I commented, "OMG, I want one," to which she replied, "I might be able to make you one." And she did, and it's here! Hello, Mac. Sorry this took so long. It has been a stressful year, family and money-wise. You were who inspired me to post about what makes me happy. Not gonna lie, I kind of fangirled when you first followed me back. I drew my pony Sona with yours. We are both Pegasi. I hope you like your pony tiara and some extras. Hehe. Andy.
Having a